My true sentiment is that strikes may not be the best solution to every problem that we have and face. And therefore, I think I would wish that the authorities concerned should find a way of avoiding that strike. We can sit down and talk. We can sit down and not only talk but also act. Whatever it is that the teachers are complaining about, I think they are all in the public domain. Some of them are serious, realistic issues that are affecting the teachers. Like I've just talked. To be honest, it is very painful to be given children and you are not able to instruct them because you are lacking the materials or what it is that you are supposed to guide them. So, again, it is also very painful. Issues of pay and what have you have been issues that have been perennial in this country. It is high time we become realistic and lay things bare on the table so that the teachers accept to work under conditions that the government also say this is genuinely what the condition is, instead of giving them empty promises that are not accomplished. Like the issue they have been complaining about of delocalization and the rest. Let the teachers be assured by the authorities concerned, is it in good faith? Because some of them actually are complaining of things that are genuine. And therefore, those genuine isolated cases need to be sorted out. And again, it is also good to encourage that as Kenyans, we need to embrace certain policies that can also help us. Long time ago, the truth of the matter is, teachers used to teach anywhere in this country. But over the years, things have happened. Like, long time ago, we never heard of any teacher being killed in the northeastern and the northern regions of this country. But of late, we have had such cases. So such cases need to be isolated and dealt with to a conclusive end. It is not enough just to give blanket statements that it is well. When there is an issue affecting an individual and a group of individuals, I think good governance and fairness and concern for each one, just like a mother in your house, like me, I have about 11 of them, my children. If any of them is ailing, the rest are fine. I can't ignore it. I need to solve their problem and bring it to a logical conclusion. I think we need to take a direction that will not lead to a stalemate. We have wasted a lot of time for our children.